Want to give your eyes a break or just prefer a sleek, darker interface for your messaging? Learn how to easily switch Viber to dark mode or backlight mode to customize your app's appearance. Viber provides different themes that allows you to change the overall look of the app, including options for light and dark modes. This setting applies to the entire app interface, not just individual chats. So, from the Viber app, first tap on the button by the bottom right corner that says More. There, go to Settings. Then under Settings, tap on Appearance. Here, you'll have the option to change the theme of Viber. By default, it'll have Auto Theme turned on. A little below that, you'll find two buttons side by side, one labeled Light and the other labeled Dark. Tap on the button to change their respective themes. And that's it! If you found this video helpful, be sure to go on and hit the like and subscribe buttons. That's a small action from you that helps make a big difference for us. And as always, feel free to comment your experience down below. See you soon! Bye bye!